Find the coordinates of D point and show that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CBE. First, we will find the coordinates of D point. D point is on the y-axis. It means the first coordinate must be 0. And because we see that B, E, and D are on the same line, and the second coordinate of B point and the E point is L, it means that the second coordinate of point D must be L too, because BE is parallel to the x-axis. So the second coordinate is the same like for BE. Let me write this. BE is parallel to x-axis. So next we have to show that triangle ADE is congruent to CBE. Let's check coordinates of first triangle, because we see that AD are on the y-axis and ED has the second coordinate the same. So this line BED, which pass points BED, is parallel to x-axis. So we have vertical and horizontal line. It means that the angle D is the right angle, because line AD is vertical and BE or ED line is horizontal. So here we have right angle. What else? Let's check angle B, because we see that this first coordinate of point B and C is the same, negative 2k. It means that this line is vertical line, and the line which passed BE has the same second coordinate L. It means it's parallel to x-axis, is horizontal, so we have here right angle too. So we can write that AD segment is perpendicular to DE. And CB is perpendicular to BE. So we have right angles. Angle B is right angle and angle D is right angle. So we have to show that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CBE. So next step, we will check the length of sides of our triangle. Because AD is the vertical segment, so to find the length of this vertical segment, we will find the absolute value of the difference of the y-coordinates of the endpoints, because first coordinates are the same. So we have that AD is equal absolute value of the second coordinate of D is L. So we have L minus, and second coordinate of A is 0. So you have absolute value of L. So this is L. Because L is positive, is this part of y-axis has positive values because we are above x-axis. So we have AD. Now we will find DE. DE segment versus horizontal segment. To find the length of horizontal segment, we will find the absolute value of the difference of the x-coordinates of the endpoints, because we see that the second coordinate is the same. So it will be negative k minus 0. The first coordinate of D is 0. So we have absolute value of negative k, so this is k. Next we will find CB, length of CB segment. So this is equal, CB is the vertical segment. So to find the length of vertical segment, we will find the absolute value of the difference of the y-coordinates, because we see that x-coordinates are the same. So B is the last, so we have L minus 2L. So we have absolute value of negative L, so this is L. And now we have to find BE, length of BE. BE is the horizontal segment. To find the length of horizontal segment, we will find the absolute value of the difference of the x-coordinates of the endpoints, because we see that the y-coordinates are the same. So we will have E is the last. So we have negative k minus negative 2k. So we have absolute value of negative k, of course negative 2k. I forgot about negative. So we have negative and negative give me positive. So we have absolute value of negative k plus 2k is k. So this is k. So we have that segment AD is congruent to CB, and DE is congruent to BE. So now by side, angle, side, we have side, angle, side, congruence postulate. We see that these two triangles are congruent. So by side, angle, side, congruence postulate, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CBE. This is my solution.